70 years of flight, precision, and legacy. Meet the Airain Type 2070 ANS, a stunning horizon blue tribute to the French pilot's chronograph that started it all. In the mid-1950s, the French Ministry of Defense issued a brief, the Type 20, calling for a pilot's chronograph that was robust, accurate, and quick to reset with a flyback function. Among the few watchmakers who answered that call was Airain. Their compact case, clean bicompax layout, and crisp flyback action quickly became a favorite among aviators. Fast forward 70 years, and Airain revives that legend, not as a replica, but as a faithful reimagining for today's collectors. The new Type 2070 ANS captures everything that made the original special and adds modern precision. A 39mm stainless steel case with a bi-directional 12-hour bezel frames the star of the show. A horizon blue dial inspired by early French Air Force uniforms. Beige grade X1 lume keeps that cockpit legibility alive, while the bi-compax layout stays true to the original spec. Inside, you'll find the AMT AM2 caliber, a hand wound, column wheel flyback movement, now visible through a sapphire display back. The watch comes on a beige suede strap, lined in horizon blue, perfectly tying the theme together. Priced at €3,850, the Airain Type 2070 ANS will be released in limited batches, with pre-orders opening October 21st and first deliveries expected April 2026. It's a watch that bridges eras, from military cockpits to modern collections, proving once again that heritage, when done right, never gets old. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know. Would you wear this piece of French aviation history on your wrist?